Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix the kernel data Inpage error in Windows 11. Chapter 1. Fix error kernel data, Inpage Windows 11 from services. To begin, you are going to open services from the search engine. There it locates the service called Performance Logs and Alerts. Double-click on it to see its properties. Now in the Startup Type field, set the option Automatic. Click Start and then apply the changes. Chapter 2. Fix kernel data, Inpage error Windows 11 from Advanced Options. To get started, open the Start menu, then click on Settings and then go to the About option. Here, click on Advanced System Settings. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Then you will click on the Settings button in the Performance section. Now in the Advanced tab, click on Change in the Virtual Memory section. You are going to confirm that this checkbox automatically manage paging file size for all drives. When exiting the window, it will be possible to reboot the system if something was modified. Chapter 3. Fix kernel data, Inpage error Windows 11 by restarting Windows. For this case, click on the Windows Shutdown button and then click on Restart. This will cause all system processes to update, correcting the error. Chapter 4. Fix error kernel data, Inpage Windows 11 analyzing RAM. To start from the search engine, enter the word memory. Then click on Windows Memory Diagnostic. Now click on Restart Now and check for problems. The system will reboot. Now you just have to wait for the memory scan to complete. When this process is finished, Windows will automatically restart. When the session starts, we will see the results of the analysis. Chapter 5. Fix error kernel data, Inpage Windows 11 by analyzing the computer. To begin, enter the word Security in the search engine, then click on Windows Security. Now go to the Virus and Threat Protection section, then click on Quick Test. Wait for the process to finish. Chapter 6. Fix kernel data, Inpage error Windows 11 by uninstalling applications. In this case, open the Start menu and then click Settings. Then go to Apps and click on Installed Apps. Then click on the Application menu. Select Uninstall and confirm this action again. In the wizard that appears, complete the process. Chapter 7. Fix kernel data. Inpage error Windows 11 by updating drivers. To get started, right-click on the Start menu. In the list, click Device Manager. Now access the section where the error is presented. Right-click on the driver and select the Update Driver option. Now click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the search to finish. Chapter 8. Fix error kernel data. Inpage Windows 11 analyzing the hard drive. To get started, open File Explorer, right-click on Drive C and select Properties. Then go to the Tools tab and click Check. Now you're going to click on Scan Drive and wait for the analysis to finish. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.